Hi everyone, it's Miss Grzelski. I'm just on here to say hello for you, and I do have one thing I'd like you to do. Before I tell you that, I want to introduce you to Patches. Patches is sitting here on my lap. She's really happy that I'm home with her. And since being home with her, I've realized what she does all day. She sleeps. She has over by my window, she has a little kitty condo. I'll try to show you it. Yep, that's it. Okay, so that's, where is it? That's where she sleeps all day, and I have a little heating pad there, so she likes to sleep there, and that's what she does. I never knew, like, what does my cat do all day? Turns out she's in there all day, looking out the window, looking at the birds, and today she's looking at the rain. Um, so I am enjoying getting to spend a little bit more time with my kitty. You'll see her in a lot of videos because she likes to be on my lap. So the thing I would like to ask you to do is us teachers are trying to collect cell phone numbers of students so that in case we can't reach you, that we could reach you on your cell phone. So I have a Google document, like a Google form I'd like you to fill out quickly and just let me know your internet situation at home. Like, do you have internet? And then what your cell phone number is, if you feel comfortable telling me. I promise I'm not going to text you at 3 in the morning saying like, what's up? Because I'm going to be sleeping at 3 in the morning. But we're thinking it would be probably better to be able to communicate with you directly versus always calling your parents to get a hold of you. So we're all trying to figure out what the best way is to contact you at home. Another idea the district's thinking about is using FaceTime because right now on your iPads, the FaceTime option doesn't work. But if we could get that working, then we could also FaceTime with you if you're having problems understanding some work. So just to be clear, we're not giving you any work to do. We're still planning, and we're all planning from home. We're planning through March 27th. Then starting March 30th, we are planning to teach you online. So we're planning a couple weeks of work online, and let's pretend that coronavirus goes down, then we get to see each other in person. But we're kind of planning for, the situation where we would need to continue teaching you online. So us teachers are all organizing like what we're going to teach you March 30th through the first week of April. And we're just kind of going to go from there and be patient. And we're all working to try to figure out, all the details. So we are committed to still helping you learn and to not overwhelm you because we know you have lots of responsibilities and you have all different situations in your families. And so we want to respect that and we want you to be able to learn some new things. Please email me if you have any questions, kelly.grzelski, GRUCELSKI, at ISD623. Please fill out the Google form, and that will help us organize ourselves. So, you can say bye to Patches. Bye, Patches. Oh, isn't she the cutest? Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Okay, talk to you later. Have a good day. Stay safe. Bye-bye.